Welcome to this lecture on green chemistry, building a sustainable future. Green chemistry is all about designing chemical processes that reduce harm to the environment while still supporting innovation and progress. It focuses on creating solutions that are not only effective today but also safe for tomorrow. Let's begin with the origins. In 1998, two American chemists, Dr. Paul Anastas and Dr. John Warner, introduced a revolutionary concept. They recognized the need for a new approach, one that would make chemistry safer and more sustainable from the very start. They developed the 12 principles of green chemistry. These principles form a structured framework for sustainable chemical practices. They serve as a comprehensive guide for chemists and chemical engineers, helping them design processes that support innovation while minimizing environmental impact. So why do these principles matter? They help design processes that are efficient, using fewer resources and producing less waste. They ensure profitability, creating value while reducing costs. And most importantly, they ensure environmental safety, protecting our planet and its natural resources. At the heart of green chemistry is protection. These principles prioritize human health and environmental safety. The goal is simple: create chemical processes that are safe for people and safe for nature. Green chemistry is transforming industries. Traditionally, many industrial processes led to high pollution, hazardous waste, and environmental damage. But with green chemistry, industries are shifting towards cleaner processes, reduced waste, and a more sustainable future. The impact goes beyond industry, it affects the entire planet. Green chemistry helps reduce ecological footprints, supports sustainable processes, and promotes healthier ecosystems. It plays a key role in building a better world for everyone. These principles are not just historical, they continue to guide modern science. They drive research and innovation, influence industrial practices, and shape education in chemistry. Even today, they remain essential for developing sustainable technologies. In conclusion, the future of chemistry is green. It's about innovation, responsibility, and using science for the greater good. By thinking green, acting green, and living green, we can create a safer and healthier future for our planet. We will discuss 12 principles of green chemistry, one by one, in separate lectures.